evening and welcome to the daily stock market update. The DACX returned to the positive territory today and gained marginally by 13 points or 0.19% and settled at 7,033 points. Market turnover was 11.17 billion taka, which is a decrease of 8.00% compared to the previous trading day. British American Tobacco, Bangladesh and Rahima Food Corporation from the food and light sector, Grameenphone and Bangladesh Submarine Cable from the telecommunication sector, and Far East Islami Life Insurance and Prime Islami Life Insurance from the life insurance sector mainly dragged the market down today. On the other hand, ICB and Bay Leasing and Investment from the NBFI sector, Walton, Beximco and BSRM Steels from the industrial sector, and Square Textile, Matin Spinning Mills and Malik Spinning Mills from the textile sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the NBFI sector registered the highest gain of 2.76%, while the textile sector posted the second highest gain of 2.44%. On the other hand, the food and allied sector posted the highest loss of 1.33%. 9 textile companies were among the top 20 gainers today. BD Thai Food, Square Textile and Matin Spinning Mills registered the highest gain, while Prime Islami Life Insurance, Desh Garments and Far Chemical Industries were the top losers. BD Thai Food was the top gainer as the stock made its trading debut yesterday. Both Square Textile and Matin Spinning Mills announced today that their board of directors meeting will be held on the 31st of January and 29th of January respectively, which may have contributed towards the buying pressure on these stocks. On the other hand, Desh Garments stock plunged as investors may be pessimistic about the company's second quarter earnings that is set to be announced at its board meeting on 29th of January. Far Chemical Industries announced a negative EPS for its second quarter, which exerted selling pressure on the stock. There was no price-sensitive information for Prime Islami Life Insurance. The trading volume of Square Textile, Heidelberg Cement Bangladesh and National Tea Company increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. Investors may have gained confidence in Square Textile and National Tea Company as both these companies are scheduled to have their board of directors meeting on 31st of January, where the second quarter earnings for this fiscal year will be disclosed. There is no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of Heidelberg Cement Bangladesh's stock. Today's top 2 news. The Indian government will provide credit support to Bangladesh in order to establish 12 high-tech parks in 12 districts. Out of this, the development work of 8 high-tech parks will start from February. In addition, India will also help with specialized lab formation as well as human resources development. So far, around 22,000 direct jobs have been generated from the country's high-tech parks. The government is considering establishing a shipbuilding facility worth $1 billion 1.58 at Paira Seaport in Patuakhali in collaboration with foreign investors. This facility will help to reduce vessels' import dependency and will create opportunities to sell ships globally. The successful implementation of this project will mark the highest ever foreign direct investment in Bangladesh. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.